welcome to another tutorial video. If you've been facing the problem, like if you have issues uploading high quality videos to your WhatsApp status, I have a solution for you. Most of us are going to use like several tools to compress our videos, like this one I have here, video compressor. These tools compress your videos quite alright, okay? They do a great job in compressing your videos, but if you compress an HD video, you upload it to your WhatsApp status, WhatsApp is still going to compress the video. Okay, WhatsApp is still going to compress it, no matter which compressor you use. So now this is what we are going to do. First off, I already have a chat. This is just me texting myself right here. So you're going to send the video, to yourself, the HD video. You're going to send it to yourself, and that's what we're going to do right now. So I'm going to tap on this video right here, select HD, you send it to yourself. Now when that is done, you're going to take forward and you can now select your status. You write your caption and you send it to your status. So this WhatsApp already kind of compresses it to the level that it wants it to be, still keeping that quality. But most video compressors out there, they don't actually know the correct range that WhatsApp needs. And that's how you get to upload high quality videos. Thank you, and if you like this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more tips.